What it do, gang? It's your boy Tay Weezy, aka Mr. She Dragging That Whack ass back in the building, y'all. How y'all feeling and how y'all living? Alright. I went to Subway. They got me a Philly cheesesteak. Alright. The Philly cheesesteak they got on the menu. Let's try it out. Okay. Alright. Ain't busting, y'all. That ain't busting. Let's see what it tastes like, what it's all about. Alright. Turn the TV down. Alright. Let's go. It's not that bad. It's really not that bad. I go get another one of these. Got my water. It's really not that bad. Tastes pretty good. Then I got my Doritos. Bust that thing open like that, you know. Damn, all of them air. A little bad chips. I think about like 10 chips in this goddamn bag. What y'all eating on for dinner? This sandwich is good. I should have put all the sauce on it. Do it taste like a Philly cheesesteak in Philly? Yes. It do. It tastes just like a Philly cheesesteak in Philadelphia. Home of the Philly. This sandwich is good. I won't miss I want Miss T with the T to go try this Philly cheese steak. I want Tay Eat to try this out, the Philly cheese steak at Subway. I want my whole Weezy gang who likes Subway to try it out. Cause this thing is busting. I'm sure I go Subway all the time to get one of these bad boys. Mm-hmm. I went shopping today. Trying to find another truck. I missed my other truck though. I might get that truck that I saw today. I don't know. It depends what they talking about. And I want my girl, Sue. She in Philadelphia. I want her to try this out at Subway. I want her to try it out. I want the Prince couple try it out. I want Triple C to try it out. I want Joe to try it out. I want Colleen to try it out. I want, that's that Prince couple. If I get, I want the Prince couple to try it out. If y'all follow me, I want y'all to try this out. I can't think of all y'all names. It's a lot of y'all. And I appreciate y'all. Weezy Gang. Oh, I want Cortez to try it out. I want LS Chevy Rider to try it out. I want my Uncle G Money to try it out. I want my Uncle Catfish Corner to try it out. I want New York in Your City to try it. I want Lawsuit Jerry, Uncle Lawsuit Jerry to try it out. I want everybody to try it out. I want can't forget my bro Brian. I want him to try it out. Alright, gang, I'm out. That shit different. If I like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, make sure you turn